What if I told you there's a way to boot an OS from a single flash drive and keep all your personal files safe? I used to struggle with boot tools that wiped out my files, but then I found this game changer. After the first boot, it's so easy. Just drop any ISO into the drive and it boots instantly. Plus, you can store your own stuff right on there. Let's go. First thing first, you need to plug in your flash memory. The software that we are going to use to create a bootable flash memory is Ventoy. So right now, I just search it in the browser and I need to open the downloads tab. My recommendation is downloading this Windows zip file, and in here press on download latest version. If your download didn't start after that time passed, you need to refresh the page. The Ventoy software successfully downloaded. Right click. If you have WinRAR software, press on extract to Ventoy, but if you don't have any extractor and compressor software, you can press on extract all and press on extract. In this part, you need to open this Ventoy to disk.exe. So before doing that, I need to tell you some notes. If you have anything in your flash drive that is important, you need to move them into a safe place for now. Okay, that's the important thing that you need to know, because the files are going to be deleted. As you can see, this software automatically detects the USB that I connect into my PC. So right now, if I press on install, it says that all the things is going to be deleted. Continue. I press on yes. That's a double check because lots of us don't read the things, the warnings, and press on OK. So it has a double check. Again, yes. So right now, this software is going to create a bootable disk for us. Done. We made our flash disk into a bootable device. After you install Ventoy in your flash disk, this software automatically detects the version in your device. Okay, as you can see, this is the version in my USB stick. And this one is the Ventoy in package. Okay, this is the version of the Ventoy that we downloaded from the original website. So if this version that is on my flash disk is lower than this one, I can simply press on update. With this way, no files is going to be deleted and all the things are going to be done in a safe place. No ISO image is going to be damaged and this kind of things. As you can see, if I press on update, it says that upgrade operation is safe. ISO files will be unchanged. Continue and you can press on yes. With this way, you can update the Ventoy version in your USB stick. Right now, you can simply put bunch of ISO files in your flash disk and after that plugged in the target computer or laptop that you have. The point is, after you plugged in and set it as a bootable device, you can choose which ISO file needs to be booted. That's a cool option. The other bonus point is this. You can easily drag and drop your personal files, videos, text, anything into that target flash disk and use it in other places. No worries. All done. If this content helps you, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also watch this video. On that one, I told you how I convert a USB stick into a retro gaming console. See you there.